there. Poor guy. Look what I got. Honey, come over here. Take a look at these. I got these. I ordered these from a friend of mine that has a YouTube channel, and he makes rubs. Yeah, so let's talk about this. Music Logic. This one is Chicken Pig. Rockin Porkstar. I like the little piggy on there. He looks cool. And this one is SPG Plus. Now, I'm told that these are, like if you want to smoke something, these are base rubs, and here's some flavor. This one is Big Beef, obviously for beef and whatnot. And this one is Zippy the Frog, Spicy Barbecue Rub. I'm told this is pretty spicy, but not over the top. So, Music Logic, this guy has a lot of talent. He goes by JC. That's all I know about him. He is a good guy. He has a lot of talent. Lots of talent, this guy, with cooking, and also he's a talented individual. Really knows his stuff. He sent me these stickers. I'm not sure what this one is about. Maybe he'll comment below and tell me about it. But yeah, I ordered these from him. He sells these. He makes them fresh, and you can buy these. So I was talking to him, and I was going to tell him originally I was going to start with the big beef, and I was going to smoke a chuck roast out there with the big beef. But then he was telling me, hey, you know what? I made burgers with the big beef, and we're going to have burgers anyway, so that's what we're going to do. But for the video, I'm going to use Zippy the Frog, because Aiden and I especially, we like spicy spiciness. And then I'm going to do a big beef. So I've got my hamburger 80-20 beef set. I'm actually going to go ahead and do this. Maybe. Awkward. Let's pour some in here. I'm just going to roll these balls of meat in the spice. And I'm going to cook 2 burgers for the video. And I want to taste them. That's what we're going to do. What does everybody think of that? Music Logic is his YouTube channel. That's the name of it. Look it up. JC is the man. And I bought these from him. This wasn't a gift. He sells these at a very reasonable price. These are samples, the 2 small ones. It's a sample pack is what I got. With shipping and handling, and the cost $24 for 4 bottles of rub, handmade by a friend, to me is a pretty good deal. That's what we're looking at. That does Zippy the Frog. Look at it. It looks a little spicy. That looks a little beefy. I'm gonna wash my hands, start at the Blackstone. We're gonna cook these up, give them a try. Peace. Look at my stickers. Yeah. That's where we live, Oklahoma. All right, we're gonna take these balls of meat and transfer them into burgers, not smash burgers, because look at, this is what I use. Cuisinart, it's got a lip, so I'm not flattening them out, thus not a smash burger. It's a press burger, I guess. Don't want anyone getting triggered. So I did this video about a year ago, and it was the first time I used this Cuisinart burger press. I called them smash burgers. I didn't know what I was doing. I cooked like 16 burgers. I was just cooking them and flipping them, and this is how we do it. We take butter, put a dab of butter on there. Why? Because this is the way we like them at the house. Is this right? Is this wrong? I don't know, but this is what we like. Look at the spice.
Oh, that smells so good.
On that burger. That's Zippy the Frog right there. So I did this video about a year ago. Never made these kind of burgers, never used this press. For some ungodly reason, that video is up to over 30,000 views. I'll tell you what, man, I got some real bad comments on that. Oh, it's just funny how angry people get. about freaking cooking burgers on a Blackstone. I do like this. It makes burgers the way we like them. I'm going to throw this in the garbage. Get a close-up on those, honey. Yeah, it makes burgers the way we like them here at the house. And I don't really care what anybody thinks or says or whether it's wrong or not wrong. It's the way we like them, and we like burgers on the Blackstone, and this is the way we do them. So, la-di-da. All right. So yeah, Music Logic, JC is his name. I'm going to tell you, I know a lot of people that know me on YouTube probably already know about Music Logic. He's got a lot to offer. And I'm going to edit this video myself, and I'm going to try to add some stuff in there so y'all pay attention to JC. He's a great guy, just a great guy. I've learned a lot from him already. And I was kind of hip to these rubs by Paulie Detmers. He did a couple videos on it already, and I was like, you know, something sparked when I was watching Paulie's video, and I was like, I think I've seen that rub because I remember this little pig. I'm like, where the heck have I seen that? And all of a sudden, I see JC had posted it on his community page, tab there on his YouTube channel. So, needless to say, I don't even have my spatula. I'm gonna get, well, I'll just go with this one. We're gonna go ahead and give him a flick. Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And we'll let them cook. Here's the thing with this piece in our burger test. If you like your meat well done, and there's people out there that like their meat well done, it's okay. It's not a big deal. You don't have to be crucified over it. Is that all right? Oh, yeah. You can actually, if you breathe in that spice, you can tell it's going to have some kick to it. But yeah, I mean, you can cook these burgers well done, and they're still going to come out very juicy and tender. You'll see, because we're going to cook them well done. Yeah. So anyway, all right, let's let these cook up. We'll bring them in the house. We'll slice them up, and we're going to taste it with these rubs. Yeah, Zippy the Frog and Big Beef by Music Logic. How many times am I going to say it in this video? I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 more times. This guy's the best. But anyway, okay, we'll meet you inside. Peace. There they are, they're done. I think this one's Zippy the Frog, and that one's Big Beef. We're gonna have everybody try these. I can definitely smell, the burgers. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's some mustard, eh?
Hey?
These are everything buns.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
That made a noise.
Honey, I don't know if these are going to be cooked enough for you. Oh, no. Looks like you're just going to have to eat Zippy the Frog right now.
Okay.
Dawn does not like her hamburgers
Perfectly cooked.
pink.
No pink at all.
So she's gonna try Zippy because Big Beef has got a little bit of juice.
Oh.
All right. Okay. Tori,
Ready?
are you gonna step up to the challenge or are you just gonna eat Zippy?
I'll just eat it.
Okay, Tori's the same way. So this is Zippy here. Is Zippy good enough for everybody or?
That's fine with me.
Okay. Here you go. Zippy.
Oh. Okay.
Zippy.
I won't die, I guess.
No, you won't die, honey.
Sure about that?
Zippy. And
Do you want this one? Because that's pink.
Ready?
okay. Let's try it.
That's good.
It's got some heat. Oh yeah, here it comes. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boy, that's got a good flavor.
Tastes like a frog.
A zippy
It
frog.
is zippy.
Somebody
It's
caught.
good.
Should have did it with frog meat.
That's spicy.
I like it.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Well, let's finish this off. Pardon me. Now, Dawn and Tori aren't going to try the big beef. They like their meat well done. That's understandable. Aiden and I, however, we're good about it.
That's warm in my throat.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's hot.
It's got a great flavor.
It's good though. It's
That
tasty.
tastes really good.
It's not just hot without flavor. It's got flavor.
Right.
All right, big beefy. Oh, those are pretty good too.
She could bite
That
that.
one's got some pink.
She could bite that.
You in?
I don't know.
Push this side.
Yeah, that side I can do.
That one fine.
Tori, you in at all?
If it's like
You only
that,
live once.
I can do this
All right, there you
side
go.
right here.
Okay.
Aiden, that looks good for you.
Ready?
All right, let's go.
Oh, that's really good.
I like them both.
For the burger, I like the big beef.
Yeah.
I know that's, Zippy the Frog's probably not designed for burgers.
It
Chicken.
tastes pretty good though on a burger.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's got a great flavor to it. This big beef is right on the money. Well, like
Very
I said,
good. Very good.
that's not what I had planned on doing for my first taste of these spices. I'm planning on a chuck roast, which I'm still going to do using the big beef. I'm going to start with the SPG plus as a base rub, and then add the big beef on a chuck roast. I think would be good. And then I'm going to do some kind of chicken, maybe a beer can chicken, smoked chicken with Zippy. Or just chicken breast or something like that. Chicken.
Yum
Chicken.
yums.
All right. Well, that's it. I mean, these are really good flavors. We're excited. We all want to do like the big beef on the rest of the burgers?
Yes,
Are we go
I
with
do.
that? Okay.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh,
Well.
wow, they must be tasty.
JC Music Logic, thank you very much. Hopefully I can make you proud with this video. That's all. I'm rambling. Peace.